Okay, hi everyone, new video to show you that yes, it's possible to make a high ponytail with a topper that I have now on my head. So it's a topper from my website Comme un diadème. So I will show you now how to do it to make a natural result. So there is some mistake that you need to not make to make it good. So it's important not to do this, because with this you have an effect that is very not natural. Everyone can see that you have something on your head. It's not a good idea to do this, and also not a good idea to do this, because same problem. You have the topper that everyone can see, because you have a lot of hair, you have no hair that is even not the same color, so it's not like this that you need to make your ponytail. So now I will show you what is my little technique to make it more beautiful and more natural. So I just take a bit of my hair and hair of the topper, and when it's not exactly the same color, I mix and put up on my head, and with this kind of thing that I don't know the name in English, I fix it. And then I make the same on the other side, like this. I mix with this like this, with this like this and this, and again I make it stay with this kind of little thing. And after, when everything is okay, I take the whole hair and just with an elastic I can do this. And with this system you have a mix of your hair that you are losing, that are not the same color, not the same density, and the topper that is more visible, less visible, more natural. And what is also important is to bring your topper, so I can put a little volume also like this, but the important thing is also to bring your topper to your hairdresser to make little hair coming like this. It will increase the beautiful result, because this is topper that I sell on my website, so I did not cut the little hair, but it's very important. You can also take your hair if you did not cut the topper. But my problem is that my hair are so I don't have hair anymore, so it's very difficult for me to make this kind of thing. But really, if you cut a bit of hair like this, the result will be even more beautiful. So I hope that you are happy with this little video. Don't hesitate to comment, to share, and to like, and see you soon.